The customer reported a sewage escape. On site we found that the sewage escape was around the domestic gully, affecting the lateral sewer coming along the front of the property.
See what that one's
This will be empty, because if that's connected, that's empty. So I'll come from here to see whether we know where the blockage is. With wet wipes you get like a straight edge, but that's all like mushed up. It's just like toilet roll, but it's probably where, because the stack comes in,
right,
and it'll probably come down such a force from the first floor. It's the side of the chamber. The chamber's only the small chambers, small. And it'll just hit the side and clump up there. Looks like that's what it's doing. We jetted it, cleared the blockage, and when we cambered through it was all clear, but it was just the toilet coming from 3 toilets, such a sharp bend into this manhole, and it was clumping up on the side of the chamber.